So if text is not showing inside Inkscape, like you type something but it just disappears or looks invisible, don't worry. Yeah, this is actually a pretty common issue, and we're going to fix it step by step. First, select your text tool and click on the text. Now check the fill color. If it's set to white on a white background or fully transparent, your text is still there, you just can't see it. Next, look at the opacity slider. If it's too low, like near 0%, your text will basically disappear. So just bring it back up to full opacity. Now zoom in a bit and make sure you're in normal view mode. Sometimes outline view can make text look like it's missing. Another big reason is missing fonts. If you used a font that's not installed on your system, Inkscape can't render it properly, so switch to something like Arial or Déjà Vu Sans and check again. Also check your layers. Your text might be behind another object, so just raise it to the top and see if it appears. If nothing works, go into Preferences and reset your text or interface settings, because sometimes a broken setting causes this. And yeah, in rare cases, your font cache or system can glitch, so a quick restart or reinstall usually fixes it. After all that, your text should be back and visible normally. Hey everyone,